Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sony Ult headphones. Start by charging the headphones fully, then power them on and enter pairing mode. Open Bluetooth settings on your phone, select Sony Ult from the list, and confirm pairing. Adjust the fit for comfort and noise isolation, and learn basic controls like play, pause, and volume so your listening experience is smooth and enjoyable. Open the Sony Headphones Connect app to explore features like EQ presets, 360 reality audio settings, and adaptive sound control. Practice touch gestures slowly to avoid missed inputs, and customize left or right button actions if available. Use ANC in noisy places and switch to ambient mode when you need situational awareness. Keep firmware updated in the app to get performance improvements and occasional new features for your Sony Ult headphones. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for long listening sessions while you relax with headphones, and the glare-free screen pairs nicely with late-night audiobooks. Check the video description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you're interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. To maximize battery life, charge the headphones regularly and avoid letting the battery drain completely often. Use the included cable and unplug once charging completes to prevent unnecessary wear. Clean ear pads with a soft cloth and avoid liquid cleaners, and store the headphones in their case to protect them from dust and drops. Regularly check for firmware updates to improve battery management and audio performance for your Sony Ult headphones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.